what you're thinking. They are at a hat shop this week. No, we're not. We are at High Tea with Jerry.
Where hats are optional, but encouraged.
Encouraged.
So
did you find one?
Why, well,
Let's see.
Won't this
Come
be
on.
just perfect? Let's just take a little look-see.
It's perfect for what you're wearing as well.
Well, these things just don't happen,
Did you bring that hat?
No.
You brought your attitude, though, didn't you, girl?
You need it for a spot of tea, John.
And I was going to do a hat.
Come on.
How about this one?
What do we think, Lois?
Oh, well, I think that one John had on was not right.
Oh, this one.
No, that one.
Yes. Let's go. We'll be seated now.
Red, yeah.
Come on, sir.
Who's the lady in red? Looks like my uncle. Very good.
Look, they're having tea with the Queen, as a matter of fact. See?
Short.
She's short, but she is dressed for it. Her hat beats yours any day.
She's